brand new tank we will be replacing. It's going to be an OEM made in Germany, PA66 plastic, very tough, made in 2016. We will be draining coolant, so I want to replace that with BMW OEM coolant. We got distilled water to mix this coolant with. It has to be mixed 50-50. This is an empty jug that we will be using to mix the coolant in, and we will be testing to make sure it is 50-50 with this tester. It is available at any auto parts store. Top of our tank, we're going to have a brand new cap, filler cap. It's BMW as well, OEM. Under the coolant tank we will be installing brand new automatic transmission thermostat, also OEM BMW. In the radiator we will be installing a brand new drain plug, and this bleeder valve I bought an aftermarket, but it's bronze with a brand new o-ring. And for o-rings, especially on this thermostat, we will be using silicone grease. This is available at any Home Depot or Lowe's. I should also mention that there should be a level sensor that goes inside here. I will be reusing my old one. It just did not arrive on time for this job, so I will be reusing my old one. Under the car, I got to remove this protective shield. It's held down by these self-tappers. In the back I have a slightly different scenario because I have two push pins instead of self-tappers, so I will be using these side cutters. Take the centers out, and then just push on the cover and they pull out. So to recap, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the front, 1 and 2 in the middle, 1 and 2 outside middle, and there's 2, 1 and 2 trim pieces. I prepared my catch can for antifreeze, and also to protect my pavement I'm going to be using a piece of cardboard because there's always going to be some spillage. With the engine cold, I will unscrew this filler cap. Looking under the car, there's two drain plugs, one right here on the radiator and the second one is right there. That's the one I will be undoing. Now that you have access to this tank, this is the spot where it was leaking, where it's busted. So to remove this tank, you will be pulling this clip, 1 and 2 clips on the top, and there's 1 clip on the bottom, at the very bottom. For the 1 clip that's on the bottom of the tank, you want to reach from this side and you go with your fingers underneath And as soon as I pull out this tank, I will show you how it is located so you understand. Now that you have all clips pulled, start pulling these tubes. So this is the clip at the bottom of the tank that I was talking about. The tank is positioned this like so. So all you have to do is just reach down and pull on this clip. There's also this level sensor that you will have to disconnect. I will be reusing it. It's just a 90-degree turn and you pull it out. At the bottom of the tank, it is worth mentioning this thermostat. Whenever you're removing the tank, this thermostat never comes out in one piece. As you can see, it's all broken into pieces. So it's almost 99% guarantee that when you're replacing the tank, you have to replace this thermostat as well. So the rest of that thermostat came out with the help of this 90-degree tool, 90-degree pick. Using this silicone grease, I will be prepping O-rings. We'll start with the thermostat. So we connected the level sensor and now we are installing it. There is a little hook on this side that needs to go inside here. So align it at the bottom, at the top, and push it in until the bottom clip clicks.